Today we will see how to find HCF of 24 and 36 by common division method or ladder method. Let us apply the below steps and solve the problem. Step 1. Start dividing 24 and 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both integers 24 and 36 exactly, we get 12 and 18. Again, start dividing 12 and 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both integers 12 and 18 exactly, we get 6 and 9. Again, start dividing 6 and 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide both integers 6 and 9 exactly, we move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides both integers 6 and 9 exactly, we get 2 and 3. Observe here, as per step 2, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 2 and 3 simultaneously. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, the common prime divisors are 2, 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 24 and 36 equals product of the common prime divisors. In this case, it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 12. Got it? Thank you for watching. To master on HCF, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.